Hi, I'm Oliver, and today I want to show you how you can create crypto reports with all your transactions with Basenode. And the first step we need to do is we need to log in to our software. So I went to app.basenode.io. Then you will see this page here, and you can log in with your wallet if you have a MetaMask or Ledger or anything like that. Or you can log in with your Google account. Today I will log in with my Google account, and then when you logged in, it will maybe look like this. If you don't see any numbers here, then you have to connect your first wallet. The software will assist you with that. You just go to wallets up here. And then as you can see here, I have different wallets connected already as an example. We support multiple chains, and you can just add your wallets here, right? You put your name and you put the public address of the supported blockchains. As you can see currently, we support Ethereum, Bitcoin, Polygon, Phantom, Binance Smart Chain, and Ronin. If you want us to support another chain that you like, then let us know. And yeah, for now, you can also connect to a Binance account if you have one. We also support that via the API key. So once you connected all the wallets that are important for you, you will get here in the overview screen of all your holdings aggregated in one screen. Of course, with historic chart and also with NFTs if you have some. You can always click here on the right top and select or unselect certain wallets if you don't want them included here. Then you can click here. Now let's go over to the document screen and click on the report. Now we are here in the report screen, and you can see I already created two different reports here, but today we will create another one just to show you how it works. You click on this big button here, create report, and then we give this report a name. So this is my test report. That's what I call it. And we can select here the transaction report, shows and aggregates all your wallet's transactions into one CSV or PDF file. The QuickBooks report is only relevant if you're using QuickBooks and you want a seamless integration with your crypto holdings. And then the last one is the holdings report. There we just show which wallet has how many coins and what is the total worth. So we're going to start with the transaction report, might be the most useful one. Then we can select one or multiple wallets to include. In this case, I will only select this Ethereum wallet here, but you can, of course, select multiple. And then we select a time frame. Let's say we want to maybe have a report for tax purposes for 1 year. So I will just select 1st of January of 2022 until today. For example, I click on confirm and click on continue. And then you can see, the new report is already created. You can see here my test report. This is the report that we just created right now. You can click here on the three dots and you can export it or as a CSV or a PDF. So I'm going to export it as a PDF just to show how it works. Click here, and then in my downloads, I find this PDF report. Unfortunately, I cannot share my screen currently, but you can see the PDF report if you try it for yourself. And the same goes for the other reports. If I want to delete the report, I can also do it here. If I click on this report, for example, I want to delete it. I click on the little trash can, and then it's deleted. So this is how our report function works. If you have any questions, you can always reach me on LinkedIn and let me know what you think. And yeah, see you in the next one.